Cheap cars might seem like a bargain. But what if I told you that for every $1,000 you save, there's a hidden cost nobody tells you? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the shocking truth about cheap cars in 2025 and why they could cost you way more than you think. Buying a car is supposed to be exciting. You imagine freedom, road trips, and convenience. But the cheap car market is full of hidden traps. From reliability issues to secret maintenance costs, these cars aren't always the deal they promise. And in 2025, the problem has only gotten worse. First, let's talk about reliability. Cheap cars often cut corners to save costs. Weak engines, low-quality electronics, and substandard materials that means more visits to the mechanic, often for problems the manufacturer doesn't clearly disclose. Second, maintenance. A new car might look perfect on paper, but hidden costs like transmission issues, suspension wear, or electronic glitches can pile up. Many owners report spending thousands unexpectedly in the first year alone, and safety is another hidden risk. Crash test ratings may look good on paper, but some cheap cars use lighter frames, fewer airbags, or weaker braking systems. In some cases, what's advertised as safe may not fully protect you in real-world accidents. Imagine buying a car to save money, only to find it's more dangerous than your old used vehicle. Many cheap cars are marketed aggressively. Advertisements promise fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and cutting-edge features. But reality often falls short. Hidden subscription fees, rapid depreciation, and software restrictions can leave you paying more than expected. And don't forget the dealer tricks. Extended warranties that don't cover real problems, add-ons you didn't ask for, and financing schemes designed to trap buyers in debt. Here's the part most people never see coming. The biggest hidden cost of cheap cars isn't repairs or fuel, it's time and stress. Constantly worrying about breakdowns, expensive repairs, and reliability issues drains both money and peace of mind. By the time most people realize it, they've already spent far more than the cost difference of buying a higher quality car. So, what's the takeaway? Cheap cars can be tempting, but they often come with hidden costs that outweigh their savings. If you're looking for reliability, safety, and long-term value, sometimes spending a little more upfront saves you thousands. And a lot of headaches down the line. Remember, the cheapest car isn't always the smartest choice. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that subscribe button to uncover more secrets from the car world. Comment below if you've ever had a cheap car surprise you, good or bad. And if you want me to create a video for cheap cars buying tips, so comment me, I will make next. For this time, bye.